Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Rob Arena, President of Global Atlantic, to discuss a new product launch leveraging the Nasdaq 100 for the insurance industry. Rob, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Jill, thank you. It's great to be here.
All right, you got it. Let's learn more about Global Atlantic. Tell us a bit about Global Atlantic and your relationship with KKR.
Sure. Thank you, Jill. So Global Atlantic's a leading provider of life insurance and annuity solutions to individuals and institutions. We have close to 2 million individual policyholders that we serve, in addition to many of the leading life and annuity companies in the industry. And I'm glad you mentioned KKR. So we just celebrated in February our one-year anniversary as being majority owned by KKR, which has been a tremendous partnership for us. They are obviously a global asset manager with tremendous breadth and depth that we've been able to leverage into our products, into the solutions that we provide to individuals and to into institutions as well.
How do you see the industry evolving?
Yeah, it's been interesting. Despite all the challenges in 2021, I think something that may be a surprise to folks has been the robustness of the life annuity industry. It was one of the best years ever from an annuity sales standpoint. In addition, on our institutional business, a really robust sales year with reinsurance and pension risk transfer. And so in spite of everything going on, we've seen a very, very strong industry. Now, in saying that, there's some challenges that I think Global Atlantic and the industry are working to address. And one of those is around sort of the modernization, if you will, of the business. We have a phrase at our company we call process is the new product. So it's not about product. We deliver great product, but how do we make it easier to buy, to sell insurance products? Huge area of focus for us, for the industry. We really need to modernize. We really need to digitize the industry in terms of how we support folks who buy and sell our products here as we go forward.
Why did Global Atlantic choose to partner with Nasdaq?
Yeah, Jill, we're launching a new product. It's called a registered index-linked annuity. It's a mouthful, more commonly referred to as a buffered annuity. Think of that outside of insurance as kind of a structured note type of product. It's the fastest growing segment of the annuity industry, and it really appeals to investors who want upside participation with some downside protection. And one of the areas that we're differentiating is in terms of the indices that we offer. So partnering with Nasdaq 100 index, making that part of our products a real differentiator for us in terms of what we're delivering. We're able to leverage the expertise and the history and the reputation of Nasdaq into the product solution that we're bringing to the market.
And finally, with challenges like inflation, low interest rates, market volatility, and the overall uncertainty of today's economy, saving for retirement today is a challenge. What options are available to people today to address these challenges?
Yeah, Jill, it's a great question, and it's a really important thing that I know us and the entire industry is thinking about. So you just mentioned a few: market volatility, right? Uncertainty in rates, rising inflation. So think of those challenges for the everyday investor. Now picture yourself if you're saving for or living in retirement. I mean, that's an overwhelming series of challenges that you're dealing with. And sort of that is exactly the market environment that we've seen increased adoption for annuity and life insurance solutions because of the value that these products can provide when they're integrated into a holistic financial plan. Oftentimes annuity and life insurance sit on the side of a financial plan. And so the focus is really to bring those things together to think about how these products, right, they deliver certainty, they deliver protection, it might be income guarantees, it might be legacy protection, a whole range of protection-oriented solutions, how they can better fit into a financial plan to serve the needs of individuals. And we really saw that get embraced in 2021, and we expect to see that trend continue as we go into 2022 and beyond.
All right, Rob, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
All right, Jill, thank you.